Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Start Small, Achieve Big. Each year, thousands of students enter the organic chemistry class with fears about what is called by some the impossible subject. I am also one of those students who fear of organic chemistry. So here I have some tips and tricks for you all as well as for myself. So I thought of to share all these tips with you to master organic chemistry. Without any further delay, let's get started. First tip is to have a desire to learn. Never cram organic chemistry. Learning organic chemistry does not require any special talent. In order to succeed in your study of organic chemistry, you need only the desire to learn and the willingness to work. Organic chemistry is not a subject that can be crammed. Many students make a mistake of trying to memorize this subject, and understanding of the basic principles is more important than just memorizing. It is true that facts can be learned, but you will be confused by them unless you understand them first. Second tip is read carefully. Never skip topics. First, read each chapter carefully. Then close your book and try to reproduce the key facts you have studied. Be specific and write them down. This technique will rapidly reveal which items you know well and which require further study. Then spend more time on the items which caused trouble. Third tip is never get behind. Set deadlines. Some of us have poor study habits. A fatal sin in organic chemistry is to fall behind. Attempts at cramming a night or two before an examination bring the ghastly realization that the subject cannot be learned quickly. Also, the pace of the course does not allow much breathing space to catch up once one is left behind. So keep up and set deadlines for each chapter. Without setting deadlines, we do not get serious about getting something done. Studying organic chemistry for 1 hour every day is much better than studying 7 hours on Sunday. Tip number 4 is learn the basics of organic structures. If you don't know how to name a simple compound like an alcohol or an alkene or ether, you'll fail every test, guaranteed. The whole language of organic chemistry is based on nomenclature and basic structures. The more you learn the basics, the easier it will be to understand how chemical reactions affect them and why reactions occur. Tip number 5, study actively. Use lots of paper and pencil. Write the structures, reactions, and mechanisms over and over again. Organic chemistry is best assimilated by writing and not by simply reading. There is good reason for this. Organic structures, reactions, and mechanisms are complex. If you simply examine them, you may think you understand them thoroughly. This level of understanding comes to most of us through writing. Only by writing, we pay attention to the details such as which atoms are connected to which atoms, which bonds break in a reaction, and which bonds form. When we write reactions and mechanisms, connections are made in our brains that provide the long-term memory needed for the success in organic chemistry. Tip number 6 is do a lot of practice problems. Let's face it, the standard measuring stick for your performance is your performance on examinations. These are composed of problems that you must solve on your own without references to notes or textbook. It is extremely important that you apply what you have learned. The ideas or concepts will not be fixed in your mind until you put them to use. To achieve this, do the problems given at the end of each chapter. Solve as many problems you can. Do them without notes and don't peek at the answers. Do problems all of the time, not just before the exam day. Last but not the least tip is stay stress free. Keep yourself stress free. This is because stress affects your memory and concentration. It makes you feel tired. Stress reduces your efficiency. Relieve yourself of extra strain by setting goals and keeping a diary. So, guys, these are the 7 most important tips and tricks. And seriously, I haven't extracted this tips and tricks from any website or blog. I have studied by myself in the book by an recognized author. These tips and tricks will definitely gonna help you to master organic chemistry. If you really like the video and learn something new from this video and gain knowledge from this video, please hit the thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will be back with an interesting topic next week. Till then, take care and take action.